As you can see, my cat ball is going off. Hello and welcome to another episode of our Ghosts Reel. Today in a cemetery. It's in Wooburn Green, which is a really small village. Can be used by spirits to basically get their energy. So the water might come in handy this evening. So I am back. It is now night time. I waited till it got dark and I'm back in the cemetery, in St. Paul's Cemetery. As you can see, there's still a lot of cars around, but there's still a lot of people also around. That's the main road there. But I thought I would come back and do an investigation here. So I've got my cat balls. As you can probably hear, there's not much history actually attached to this place. And I was looking at online, there's actually not much about this place, apart from the fact that it's called St. Paul's Cemetery, and it's basically an add-on to the churchyard that is literally just across the street from here. So I don't really know. I think it was the 19th century. I'll go home and check that this add-on was created. There's still a lot of traffic, as I said, so it might be hard for me to do a recording here because it is so busy. But I shall certainly give it a go. So I'm going to put my cat balls down. I've got my EMF detector with me. So let's get into it. As you can see, my cat ball is going off. Thank you. If that's you, thank you so much for making that go off. I bought these for you. Thank you. You can do it again. Oh, it has. Thank you very much for that. Wow. That's amazing. I've put 2 cat balls down. The other one I haven't put down. I've just put these 2 down. Oh wow, it's literally not stopping. Wow, thank you. I'm going to ask you some yes or no questions, if that's okay. If that is okay, can you make it go off again for me? Oh, thank you. Wow, look at that. Okay, so oh, that's not that's not paranormal. That's just someone making noise over there. Okay, I'm going to ask you a question. Wow, it's really not stopping. This is like non-stop going off. Could you make the other one go off for me? Because I've got another one down here as well. Could you make that one go off instead? As you can see, it's pitch black. I haven't turned my night vision on. Actually, let me turn my night vision on. That might be helpful. Okay, so I've turned my night vision on so you can actually see. Because otherwise you're seeing what I can see, which is basically nothing apart from the car lights. But this is non-stop. Since I put this down, this is legit, like, non-stop going off. So are you a female or a male? Could you let me know? If you're female... Oh my gosh, this is amazing. If you're female, could you make the right one go off for me? If you're male, can you make the other one go off for me? If you can hear my voice. I'm not here to harm you or anything. My name is Corinne. And I mean you no disrespect whatsoever. I just bought these things here for you. So, if you're a female... Oh, wow, it's going off. Thank you. Thank you so much. Do you mind me coming closer to you? If you don't want me to come closer, that's fine. Just make it go off. Okay, you don't. That's fine. I won't come closer, I promise. But thank you very much for talking to me today. I appreciate that. I'm going to put something else down, if that's okay. And you can interact with that as well. So are you okay for me to come over and put something else down? Okay, I'm going to take that as a yes. So I'm going to come over now, okay? I'm really sorry. See, here's my other one here. So this is my other one. I can't see you, so I'm really, really sorry. I've noticed there's a bug near it, but it's not actually... There's a beetle there. Just there. Don't know whether you can see that in the thing. Also, I've colour-coded my cat balls, so they now have different colours on. I will show you during the day because you can't see that. And this is a different coloured one to my... So I've got blue, red and black. I bought some permanent markers and I put things on them. And so this is a different cat ball that's going off. So this is kind of a bit louder. And I'm really sorry. I will try not to scare you. And I promise you now, it will not harm you. Okay? But it's called a REM pod. And all you need to do is walk really close to it. And it's got a little antenna. There you go. It's got a little antenna on it. And if you go close to it, it will make a noise. But I promise you now, it will not harm you. Okay? Cool. I'm going to say, hopefully this is okay. So I'm going to turn this on. So it's going to go off now, so you know what I mean, because I'm holding it. So it's going to go off because of me. Okay? So I don't want to startle you. So I'm going to... Oops. So, right. This is going to be so loud. I'm going to wake up everyone in the neighbourhood. Okay, so I'm going to put this down here, okay? Okay. Right. It's going to go off, and it's going to be pretty loud. Because I'm here. I'm really worried to do this in case someone calls the police. Okay, it's going to go off. 3, 2, 1. Okay? That's the noise it makes. Okay? Told you. It's really loud. So you can make that go off as well, okay? So I've got the REM pod there. I've got the cat ball there. I've got the other kettle there. Okay, this thing is just going off and off and off. I really want to do a recording session, but I can't because of the road is so close and you won't... Just don't think you'll be able to hear anything. Okay. So I've got something here that will allow me... Sorry. I've got something here that will allow you, should I say, to speak to me. So I'm going to ask you to come through. So could you tell me your name for me? Just tell me. I told you my name. Still just going off. That's amazing. I've never seen it go off this much before. Please don't be shy. I'm afraid I can't see you. But have you got a message for anyone? Is there anything you would want me to say to anyone? Wow, I've never seen it go off this much before. This is crazy. Please don't be shy. You can use this device to talk to me. And I'll be able to hear you. And you can say whatever you want to say. Do you like it here? It's weird, it suddenly just stopped. Hello? Have you gone? That's really weird. It's just suddenly stopped completely. Oh, no, you haven't. Okay, thank you. I thought you'd gone. Could you tell me why you're still here? I'm not making out any real voices here. Is there a reason why you're still here? Okay, I'm not really getting any responses through here whatsoever. Like, I'm getting nothing. So that's really intriguing me. Okay, I'm going to do some yes or no questions again. Okay. Did you live here in Wooburn Green? Oh, gonna take that as a yes. Thank you. What? Oh. To be fair, that wasn't really a yes or no question I was about to ask, so I got saved by the couple. I've asked if it's female. Wow. I mean, honestly, I've never seen this. I'm going to get the third one out, actually. I'm just coming closer again. I'm sorry. I'm gonna move the cat ball actually and just see if it goes off again. Move the cat ball because I want to see if it still goes off if I move it. Just because it's going off so much, I'm like, maybe there's something here, like maybe there's a nest or something. I don't know. So I'm just gonna move it. I'm gonna see if it still goes off. Okay, so I'm just coming closer now. Hope you don't mind. Oops. Don't mind me. I mean, I don't see anything here that could be making this go off. Okay, I'm just gonna touch it. Oh, that was me. I'm just gonna move this, okay? I urge you to still keep doing it for me. But I'm just gonna move it over here. Okay? So I've just moved it to the other side of my REM pod. Okay. So I just wanna see if it still keeps going off. Okay. Could you make it go off again for me? I know I just moved it, and I'm sorry. But that was my little experiment. Could you make it go again? Please. That's interesting. What was there causing it to go off? Because now I put it over here, it's not going off at all. Did you not like that I moved it? If you didn't like that I moved it, can you show me by making it go off? Please? Would you like me to move it back again? If you want me to move it back again, I can. Just let me know by making it go off, and I'll put it back. There's a lorry going past, that's why it's suddenly really... That is really weird, it stopped going off. Okay, I'll put it back. Okay, I'm gonna put it back for you. Okay, I'm gonna pick it back up. My little experiment failed. But maybe there's something here, I don't know. I just don't know what would be here, that's all. So, it was like, where was it? It's like here, I think. Is it there? Or was it further up? Actually, I think it was here. I think it was there. Cool. I've moved it back again. See, look, that's weird. It's going off again. What is there making that go off? It's just a tree. What the? Oh, you know what it is? I think it's the insects. Because there was a spider there. But I'm so confused. Why is this going off in this one spot and not going off in the other spots? And it's not the blue one. Last time the blue one was the one to go off when I was at the Devil's Bridge. This is the black one that I've put black permanent marker on. So this isn't the blue one. And the blue one is the one that went off last time. I'm so confused. If it's insects though, surely they don't have the power to make that go off. I added the third one to the mix. So the third one is over there now. And that's the blue one that doesn't normally go off, but there's the blue one that went off last time is at the back, and yet that's not going off either. It's literally just the black one, well, the black marked one that's continuously going off, but just in that spot. Is it picking up? I'm trying to think of this logically. Is it picking up maybe the water in the tree? Like, not in the tree, but is it picking up the movement of the roots underneath the tree, maybe? Because this is a big ass tree. So okay, I'm gonna pick it up now. Thought I would end this video by showing you basically what I've done to my little cat balls and show you the colours that I've put on so you can see them in daytime. And I did this as an experiment really to see if it was the same cat balls going off each time or if it is different ones, and to sort of experiment, because if it was the same cat ball going off, then obviously it could be to do with the cat ball being faulty. So I wanted to double check this. So this is the black one, and this is the one, the black marked one should I say, and this is the one that was going off the other night at the cemetery. And then this is the blue one, and this, the blue marked one, and this was going off at the Devil's Bridge the other day. And then this is the red one, although it looks more pink. But I've done this really to experiment, because I was beginning to think maybe the cat balls were faulty, and maybe that's why just one was going off. But actually it's really, really interesting that it is the different ones going off. And what was super interesting as well is, I didn't think about this at the time, but I've just thought about it today, funnily enough, is that the third cat ball I put down, which was the pink one, when I rolled that down, I rolled it quite close to the one that was going off, so the black marked one. And if it was the tree, and let's say it was picking up the tree roots and maybe like movement underneath, surely then it would be picking up, like this one would have gone off as well, because if it was picking up the tree, and this was very, very close to the other one, then it would have made sense for both of them to go off rather than just the black one, or the black marked one, sorry. So let me know in the comments below if you have any theories as to why that was going off so much, and as to why it was only going off in that specific area and like that specific space, but not going off anywhere else. Because yeah, that's logically, I'm trying to figure this out. It's starting to annoy me now. So your thoughts are very much welcome. But I really do hope that you enjoyed this one. Please do like and subscribe, and I will see you next time from another spooky location. And I hope you guys have a fantastic spooky week. Bye!